can be really exciting when it comes to building a new home, but for a lot of people, you may not know where to start when it comes to organising finance. Today, I'm talking to Rachel Lilleen from Onion Home Loans and Insurance. Rachel, tell me a little bit about Onion.
So Onion Home Loans are specialists in construction lending. We are aligned with GJ Gardner Homes, and we've got some great close lender relationships with the banks to assist clients with getting their construction loan. A lot of these relationships have been built on the strength of the GJ Gardner contract.
How easy is it to obtain finance for a build?
It's very easy to obtain finance. Banks love the reliability of GJ Gardner Homes and their contract and their reputation in market. And because of that, it's allowed us to source some great options for clients that are specifically looking to build through GJ Gardner Homes.
When's the best time to apply for a home loan?
So defining a budget right at the start is a great idea, as it allows you to understand how much you've got to spend on your build.
How could Onion help me with my finance?
We work out what is important to you, what flexibility you require with a home loan, and basically what your goals are throughout the build. For some, it may be the requirement to just pay interest throughout the build. For others, they may want the option of adding that interest back onto the loan so they're not having to make loan payments throughout the build as such. But working with you at the very start, we can understand what those needs are and tailor something accordingly. At the start, we make sure the approval is flexible and also perhaps a little bit extra from what you need. That allows you to then, if you're working with a sales consultant and you decide you might want to add in that heat pump or an upgrade to your kitchen, you can make that decision on the spot without having to go back to the bank and apply for extra funding.
And what about pre-approval? How does it, once pre-approval's in place, talk me through the steps.
So a pre-approval is basically an overall approval to confirm that the bank is happy to provide you this amount of money in order for you to build your home. There will be conditions associated with that, which could be a registered valuation, fixed price contract and plans, etc.
What about payment schedules? How do they work?
So throughout your build, there could be 5 to 8 stage progress payments. We again work on your behalf with the team at GJ Gardners to ensure that those payments are made on time, allowing your build to progress smoothly without any hold-ups.
That all sounds relatively straightforward. What happens to my loan at the end of the build?
So at the end of the build, our experts will work with you to ensure that your home loan is structured the right way to allow you to enjoy your new home.
Oh, so it effectively just becomes like a mortgage?
Yes, absolutely it does.
Great advice. Thank you, Rachel. So if you're in the market for some construction funding, I'd suggest you speak to the team at Onion about how they can add another layer of service to your home building journey.